Guys, welcome back. Today we are doing a Alphalete review. I just got it in the mail. This is my Black Friday package. So I would like to say I want to take UPS to court. They gave me stress over this package. Said it was supposed to be here on the 30th. Then it was the 1st. Then it was the 3rd. Then it was the 2nd. Then it was the 3rd. This package had me like stressed. Like I had so much like built up. Like I don't even know what to say. But UPS definitely caused me some undue stress in my life. So we're gonna take a sneak peek kind of at what I bought. Then I'll do a try on. Then you guys can kind of see how it fits. So just first and foremost, this is a medium. This is kind of how most medium fit on me. So it's good to kind of see how it fits on me. That way you can see how the other things fit on me. Now, I did order a couple of sizes. I've never ordered Alphalete stuff before, so I'm kind of excited to kind of see how it fits. Yeah, so I ordered extra small, a small, and a medium. Because Christian, he's like 6 foot. He weighs like 180, depending on what time of the year it is, right? If he's bulking, if he's cutting. It kind of just depends. So, me, I'm 5'6", and I'm 170. So, I'm kind of maybe his mid-size. But so he usually wears like a large, but in his photo shoots he wears medium because they kind of shrink a little bit. At least that's what he says in his videos. So I kind of was like, well, they're super stretchy, and I kind of like a tight fit. Like I don't like super baggy, but as you can see, like this isn't super baggy. This has been washed since the last review. I did this Cora shirt as a review when I got it as well. So I just wanted to kind of. I ordered a whole bunch of fitness gear on Black Friday so I could review it for you guys. So let's just, I ordered from a couple different companies as well. So we're kind of going to get the whole mix of things. If you guys want to check out the other videos, I'm sure it's like a day or two, depending on which way it came. So we're going to hurry and open this up really quick. That way you guys can kind of get the gist of things. So let's just, also did a review on this knife. I guess I've just kind of been doing a lot of reviews lately, so let's see if I can find the packing slip. So I got one cap sleeve, small, one pocket scoop neck, extra small, men's underwear, small, men's jogger, small, cap sleeve, dark gray, medium, and men's camel black underwear, medium. So again, I got different sizes just so you guys can kind of know. I usually wear small or medium underwear, just depends. I'm like a 31, so I can sometimes fit in the 28-30, sometimes 32, 34. It's kind of just a weird, I'm kind of in between. So if I'm feeling skinny, I can wear the smalls. If I'm feeling, you know, maybe it's the holidays, I can wear the extra or the medium. So let's dump this out, see what we got. Okay, so first up, Alphalete extra small. Might as well start small. And so it comes in this cute little packaging. I think this is pretty cool, to tell you the truth. It says an Alphalete is an individual who inspires others to dream more, learn more, and be more. So that kind of relates with this whole channel's message. You know, I like to give back. I like to be able to give my community something that I didn't have growing up and kind of be an inspiration to others. So let's get this out of here. So the tag says, do not remove this tag. This garment cannot be returned once this tag is removed. Well, that's kind of redundant. If you order it on sale, you can't return it. So these are forever my clothes. Or I guess I could sell it online. So let's just take this off. You guys can kind of see my physique. It's not anything special right now. Headed into winter, bulking. Definitely gained some weight just going into this winter stage. So this is probably going to be a summer shirt when I'm a little bit slimmer. I'm expecting it to be tight. It is an extra small, and I haven't washed it, so here we go. So these look really good on Christian. Just by the way, Christian, if you're watching this, these usually look really good on you. You have this like kind of open neck fit to it. And I mean, I guess it makes sense if you are in really good shape, as if these are going to fit good. So let's climb up here. Let's do a spin around. This is the front. That tag out of the way. They have this little embroidered Alphalete over here. You can see my little, get a little chubster over here. I like the way this is cut. It's really slimming. Let's pull this down. It's got like a little scoop to it. Spin around for you. I'm gonna take it off so I can kind of show you guys. It's like a raw cut though. Like the seams don't come down together. Like they cut that metal piece off, so it's kind of more, I don't want to say rustic, but kind of like this doesn't look too bad. I might have to hang dry this. It does say to hang dry these. I don't normally do that. I usually just throw them in the wash, warm, throw them in the dryer, so it'll probably shrink. I'm thinking this stuff I'm gonna have to hang dry, or at least this extra small. And then the back looks pretty good. It's got that cut to kind of emphasize your lats, how it comes down right there. So I like that color, Dusty Rose. I got 2 in the Dusty Rose. This next one is a cap sleeve. I'm kind of hesitant. I was kind of hesitant ordering these cap sleeves. I've never worn a cap sleeve, but I like the cut on it, so I went ahead and ordered it. Kind of looks like I'm wearing my grandpa's shirt, like right here. Like I just chopped my grandpa's sleeves off and like that's it. If my shoulders were a little bit bigger, I might fill that cap sleeve out. Also, it might shrink a little bit. So this honestly feels like a large right now. Like this is how I buy stuff, and a large fits usually. Like it's pretty, like I have a lot of room in here, like, and these are pretty stretchy. Like you can see my nipple right there. They're pretty stretchy. Let's get up here and I'll show you kind of the rest of it. So it has these taper on the inside, kind of make you look slimmer than you are, or kind of emphasize your slimness. Alphalete tagging. Pretty good. Cut. It's got that same raw cut at the bottom, along the edges. If these don't fit right, guys, you can always take these in a little bit. Like my shoulders, I mean, it definitely is a cap sleeve. Like it comes out right. There's no seam right here to make it look weird, and then the extra shirt. So that's good. You could definitely cut these up a little bit if you wanted. Just know that you're not going to return them. If you bought them on sale, you're not returning them anyway. So let's move on. We got some camo men's underwear, black camo. Now I'm just going to try these on, and then I'll kind of show you with the leggings on. The joggers, not leggings, the joggers that I bought. So that's how they look. Pretty slick. Just flat butt, nothing to like emphasize your butt. What's up with that? I mean, that's honestly, if you're filled out in the back, this is gonna look good from the back as well. And then you just have that little pouch for your best friend up front. Alphalete, kind of cool branding. So those are the mediums. These are the smalls. So they're not, I'm thinking they're not going to be much different. So you got like, oh wow. I mean, you have, what is that, like an inch? Maybe an inch and a half, so 3 inches in circumference more. That's good and bad. Can't complain. Now, I see Christian wearing these all the time in his YouTube videos. And I fell in love with him, so hopefully he does this little zipper test where he like does this little thing with it where they don't get caught. And I love that. I love zippers that are just really good, really well made. So it's got little 2 pockets in the back. These feel really nice. I'm not gonna lie, these are nice. So I'm gonna go ahead and get these other joggers off real quick and change for you guys. So that way you can see everything all in one. And then we'll do like a little spin on the chair. You can see kind of how it fits compared to the other ones. I think I'm gonna go with the red. See how they fit. So, I mean, they're not bad. I like how oh, I definitely like these. Yeah. They're not like super long, which I guess if you were buying super long stuff, it would say super long. But I'd say this is probably about a 5-inch inseam. I didn't measure it, but that would be my best guess. Oh, yes. Yes, yes, yes. So we're going to throw this Dusty Rose cap sleeve back on, pair it with those Alphalete joggers. I think this might fit exactly how I want it to, how I want it to look after I wash it. So I'm pretty excited about this. What the heck? Oh, sorry. We dropped one on the floor. This is the gray cap sleeve. So I'll just try that on right now over this one, and then I'll take that one off while I'm up there. So honestly, if I was Alphalete, I would probably not spend so much money on this, like the packaging. Packaging looks really good, but if you could save money on this and maybe drop money on this, I mean, your customers would still be super happy. I think, you know, some of us get carried away too much with too much. Sometimes less is more. You know, let the product speak for themselves. Don't get me wrong, I like the packaging. If this was just as much money as that like clear other packaging, I would go with that. But pretty sure it's not. So this is the medium. This looks like I just sewed 2 panels together. Not hating. Let's just let it speak for itself. Ooh, these these joggers, they almost feel like leggings. I got them small on purpose, but let's see how they fit. So this is the large. That's with my arms up. This might actually be okay too after I wash it. So, and again, it has that taper. This is the cap sleeve. Little logo right there of Alphalete. Do a little spin. Get down on it. No, okay. So I like that one. I'm definitely washing these to see how they fit after. Just know, guys, if you're going to return it to Alphalete, don't wash them. They don't want you to wash them. They don't want to smell like cologne. I read the return policy before I did this video. So, I mean, I think this looks good. I think all this probably looks good. It feels really good. Like, it feels like a high quality stuff. Let's see if I got these up on my hips. So that's what it looks like. See that little pudge? I'm at like 18% body fat right now. So just bear with me while I get through this season. I have been trying to maintain a lot better. Been tracking my macros. Actually, the same stuff that Christian does, or that he did for Nabil, I've been doing for my daily macro tracking. I've been tracking about 165 grams of protein. Actually, today was the 3rd day that I actually hit it. Protein is really hard for me to consume. I just eat too many fats and carbs and other things. So I have to kind of cut away the fats and focus more on proteins, and I've been doing that more consistently. So I think we're going to see a lot more changes in the coming future. Just an update from last year, guys. I'm down 7 pounds of fat. Complete fat, gone. And I'm up almost 4 pounds of muscle. So I've exchanged it. I'm down in weight. I'm down in size for sure. I'm not wearing larges anymore. I'm more into mediums. And as that fat goes away, right, you're losing that mass of fat and you're getting smaller and that muscle's taking over. So this is a really good idea. That extra small is going to come in handy when I start getting even smaller. So keep that in mind. I think I would wear these joggers anywhere. Like these are nice. If I pair it with this core shirt, I think this is probably going to be my favorite outfit right now. So again, I usually wear a medium. All the stuff I got from Alphalete, I would say nothing came that like fit me. Extra small was a little bit too tight, and the small was a little bit too big. Now I don't know kind of what the measurements are. I just wish everyone could stick to like, this is small. Like there was a standard small size, like that's what it was. Sorry. Like whatever this measurement is, small. It's kind of like a suit, you know, when I buy a suit, I can just go buy a 42 short. Get the 42 chest, I get the length of my arms, like that's it. Actually, short is a little bit too long for me, so I have to get like a 42, or sorry, a 40. I just buy a 40 and then I have it tailored because I know the arms, I just have short arms. I guess my arms should be longer from, I don't know. I don't know the proportions on all that, but this would probably be, I would say, my favorite outfit I own right now. I like the fact that it has a little bit of Alphalete branding right there. I don't mind that. This keeps falling down though. These are falling down. It's probably because of my fat. But if you roll that up, hey, you get that Alphalete branding right there as well. So if you're shooting for like videos or whatever, you just want to like show off a little bit, you could. But also, I love this Cora shirt. They did a really good job on this. I like the branding, this little stripe down the back, and their tag there. So I would say between the two of these companies, and I'll link Cora and Alphalete down below so you guys can check them out as well. I do have a discount code with Cora. It's just Daniel Jarom. And I'll put that down below as well so you can get 15% off. And you guys can then hook it up that way. But Alphalete, you did a really good job. Thanks, Christian, for all this stuff. This was really cool. Love checking you guys out. Love keeping updated on your YouTube and all of that. Nabil, you're great. Nabil definitely helped out your channel, Christian. Keep him around. And I will see the rest of you guys tomorrow. Remember, I do a daily video on unboxing boxers. Just stuff to keep you guys informed, up to date, help you out, give value to you. Now this should be value because hopefully you have someone that's, you know, fitness oriented in your life, who likes fitness apparel, who likes working out, who likes, you know, pushing themselves. And these two brands kind of embody what it means to like be more. You know, that's their whole focus on their brand, is to be more, push more, like inspire others, be a better person. And that's what this channel is about. So it really embodied a better version of myself I could really promote here. So go ahead and hit the subscribe button. Once you do that, there's going to be a little bell. That bell lets you know that that bell will notify you every time I do a video. If you want to stay up to date, go ahead and do that. And I'll see you guys tomorrow for another video. Thanks for watching.